Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Chat English, the podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak real English with me, Emily. Today, we're going to the movies. We'll talk about different kinds of films, favorite actors, and even a very special movie. Ready? Let's get started. Hey, Josh, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might watch a movie. What about you?
Me too. I want to relax and watch something fun.
At home or at the cinema?
At home is cozy, but I miss the big screen.
Yeah, the sound, the screen, the popcorn. I love the cinema feeling.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy action, superhero movies, and sometimes science fiction.
Cool. I love comedies and romantic movies, but fantasy is my favorite.
Let's go to the cinema then. It will be fun.
Let's see what's playing. Oh, there's a new trailer. It's called The Magic Forest.
Is it fantasy?
Yes, wizards, dragons, magic trees. It looks amazing.
Who's in it?
Emma Green and Daniel Cruz. I love Emma. She's such a good actress.
Daniel is cool too. He's funny and great in action movies.
Let's watch the trailer now.
Okay, I'll get the popcorn.
This movie is awesome. The special effects are so good.
Yeah, and the music. Wow, so dramatic.
Look, Emma's character is so brave.
And Daniel's character is funny. Let's fight with friendship.
Haha, what a line. By the way, I'm glad we came.
Me too. Movies are better with friends.
Let's talk about a beautiful movie, The Pursuit of Happiness, 2006. It's about a man named Chris Gardner. He has no job, no home, but he has a dream and his little son. Let's look at some easy quotes from the movie. Famous quotes for shadowing. Don't ever let somebody tell you. You can't do something. You gotta dream. You gotta protect it. If you want something, I'm the type of person, if you ask me a question and I don't know the answer, if I'm gonna tell you I don't know, let's play a game. We are going to hide from the dinosaurs. This part of my life, this little part, is called happiness. I met my father for the first time when I was 28 years old. I made up my mind that I would be a good father. Swims, I'm saying to myself, today is the day you can do this.
From Rocky Balboa, 2006. It's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. You gotta keep moving. Keep fighting. Keep believing. You're changing that boy's life. No. He's changing mine. Courage is a hard thing. You can't learn it in school. You learn it by doing.
Simple motivational sentences, free use, beginner level. You are stronger than you think. Keep going, even if it's hard. Every day is a new chance. Believe in yourself. Never stop dreaming. No mistakes happen. Just try again. Now repeat with me, nice and slow. Let's shadow the conversation. What kind of movies do you like? Do you like comedies or action films? I enjoy romantic movies. They make me smile. Let's meet at 7. Can we meet before the movie? Let's meet at the cinema at 6:45. She's a great actress. He's a famous actor, very talented. I love her in that movie. She was amazing. I'll bring my movie card. Don't forget your cinema ticket. I have a discount card for the cinema. Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You are not good enough. That's not true. You can do anything if you try. This movie is so exciting. The trailer looks amazing. Let's watch it. We watched this film. Fantastic. Now try saying the sentences without me. Remember, listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's practice together again tomorrow.
Mini quiz: The Pursuit of Happiness. Try to answer after listening. What is Chris's dream job? A. Taxi driver. B. Teacher. C. Stockbroker. D. Musician. Who does he live with? A. His friend. B. His wife. C. His son. D. Alone. Fill in the quote. Don't ever let somebody tell you. A. You can do it. B. You are wrong. C. You can't do something. What does Chris do if he doesn't know the answer? A. He lies. He guesses. He says, I don't know. What game does he play in the subway bathroom? A. Superheroes. B. Dinosaur hiding. C. Sleeping lions. Quiz answers. C. Stockbroker. C. His son. C. You can't do something. C. He says, I don't know. B. Dinosaur hiding.
Well done, friends. That's all for today's episode. Now you can talk about movies in English, from plans, trailers, snacks, to famous scenes. You did a great job today. We talked about movies, favorite actors, trailers, and even planned a cinema trip, all in English. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try shadowing the conversation with us. Listen again, repeat slowly, and speak out loud. Don't be shy. Every time you practice, your English gets better.